In this video, I will show you how service desk users can benefit from data from PerformanceGuard without actually using PerformanceGuard. To do so, you need to install the PerformanceGuard Incident Management Connector, which is available in the ServiceNow store. After installing, you will get this menu item for PerformanceGuard, and here you can actually set up how to connect to PerformanceGuard. PerformanceGuard needs to run with HTTPS because ServiceNow is running in HTTPS and you cannot run in mixed mode. In here you will set up where the PerformanceGuard installation is located and provide a username and password. Once this is done, you can close this menu and go to the incident menu. When you create a new incident, once you have added the caller and the configuration item, this management connector will now connect to PerformanceGuard and collect some information about the configuration item. Let's have a look. The data is placed in a new tab called PerformanceGuard, and to begin with you will see that we get an inventory of both hardware and software for this computer. One of the key things is that we actually get the correct model number on Lenovo machines. Many providers will only give you the type number instead of the model number. You will also get the BIOS version and the MAC address and so on, and also the network connection speed. At the bottom we will see that we also get a list of events. This shows the events for this particular configuration item reported by PerformanceGuard within the past 24 hours. You can also, if you wish, open up PerformanceGuard for this particular computer on a designed dashboard for this use. ServiceNow requires that when you leave ServiceNow context, you'll be notified by this pop-up box. This is okay, and you just click OK to open up a new tab on PerformanceGuard for this particular computer. If you do not wish to work in PerformanceGuard with this computer, all you have to do, and if of course you still want this information, you just click this Attach PerformanceGuard report. That will create a PDF report of that dashboard we just saw and attach it to this case. If you wish to see the report, you just click the download button and you'll get it. That's all you have to do to get a lot of information in from PerformanceGuard into ServiceNow without actually using PerformanceGuard.